Siguro itong team na to is talagang mahirap na buo kasi kailangan i-instill mo muna sa mga
Correct.
taga-Kamalig na yun ang sistema ko, yun ang masusunod. And then, trabaho lang. One at a time, one game at a time, one practice at a time. Kasi
All right, JC on the mic with the man himself, Coach Alex Noiles. We have him sitting down. Medyo tangkad kasi si Coach Alex. Ngayon, para relax rin tayo sa usapan natin ngayon, Coach Alex. Now, the last time I got the chance to talk to you, Coach Noiles, was after the Palarong Bicol, and you guys have been busy sa Dominican School, with your basketball program. Tell us a little bit about your success so far. If I remember correctly, you guys represented the Bicol region at the Prisaa, National Prisaa. Go ahead and kwentuhan mo kami ng mga pangyayari.
right after ng Palarong
Medyo
Bicol,
ilapit lang.
which is we are in third place, then diretso kami ng National Prisaa. Nanalo naman kami ng fourth place.
Yeah.
So, medyo sayang, medyo kulang yung players, pero at least sa 2-year program ni Boss Alceda,
Yeah.
may napupunta.
Excellent, kumbaga playing experience rin yun para sa mga kabataan nyo sa Dominican School, Coach. Of course, the journey doesn't stop for your team. Yun nga, sinabi ko sa'yo earlier today, I thought you weren't going to be here because you guys will also participate in the Bukal. Tell us, anong nilolook forward ninyo as a team dun sa Bukal Games?
Yun nga in-expect ko nga talaga na hindi talaga ako makakapag-coach ngayon.
Really?
Kasi buti na lang, yung game namin is tomorrow.
Yeah.
Today is opening lang. So I'm inviting everyone to watch our game tomorrow against Genesis.
Yeah.
So yun.
So should be a very important game for you guys, Coach. Only a couple of teams from Albay for the junior division of
Yes.
Bukal. Tama ba? You and Morms, tama ba? So good
Kay Ma'am
experience
Jem,
again.
Mayor Jem.
That's right. So good experience once again for the Dominican School out of Kamalig. Now, Coach, let's get to this game here tonight. Ang ganda ng laro natin between you and Team Piodoran. You guys, medyo rough start, no? If I could remember correctly, only one field goal for about the first 4 minutes of the first quarter. Right after that, you guys have shot off, and you guys ended up winning here against Team Piodoran. Could you describe, Coach, what is the makeup of this team for this version of Team Kamalig for this year's Albay Provincial Games?
Siguro itong team na to is talagang mahirap na buo kasi nag-practice kami siguro 4 weeks ago.
Really?
4 weeks ago, and then tinawagan ako ni Boss Mayor Baldo. So,
Yeah.
pakitulungan mo naman ako na mabuo yung team.
Yeah.
So sabi ko, sige boss, tulungan kita. So binuo ko yung team, nagpa-tryout kami.
Yeah.
Then, ayun nga, nakabuo, 1 week nakabuo. Then, 3 weeks na tuloy-tuloy ng practice. So, sobrang hirap. So, for me, as a professional player, sobrang
Yeah.
hirap. Saka nakikita ko sobrang kulang pa kami. Sa plays, offensive plays, sa man-to-man, sa zone,
Nice. Yeah.
sa defense, sobrang malayo pa sa gusto kong mangyaring depensa. Kasi sa amin, sa Dominican School, talagang magsasign na lang kami, alam na ng mga bata yung
I
gagawin. Dito
see.
siyempre, kailangan i-instill mo muna sa mga
Correct.
taga-Kamalig na yun ang sistema ko, yun ang masusunod. And then,
Yeah.
we follow the system, and then we win as one, we win sa loob ng sistema.
Yeah. But pero despite nun, Coach Alex, very good game din para sa mga local players ng Kamalig, especially Sir Kim, number 0, I believe. He had excellent game so far for you. How about your imports? Talk about your imports na na-recruit natin here for Team Kamalig.
Sa imports ko naman, as long as nasusunod yung sistema, wala akong problema kung hindi siya makascore, as long as nagagawa niya yung sistema sa depensa, okay
Correct.
ako doon.
Yeah.
Si Jeb Bulawan, shoutout to Jeb Bulawan and Roger Reyes, talagang konting sabi ko lang, alam na
na.
gusto kong mangyari. So wala akong kahirap-hirap sa mga
Yeah.
kinuha kong imports.
Yun rin yung...
Shoutout din kay Manrique, kahit yung taon yan kasi minsan di nakaka-ensayo kasi may trabaho. So, syempre, as a family man, unahin yung trabaho.
Yun nga, of
Tapos
course.
pa-practice sa amin, may mga konting adjustment, inaabol
Oo.
namin siya. So hopefully, maganda yung mag-cross yung landas na talagang tuloy-tuloy yung practice niya kasi magaling naman yung bata.
He really is. Player of the game for your team tonight. Let's talk about a little bit your opponents, Piodoran. They were really finding the holes in your defense, especially Montemayor, I believe. What was so tough facing this team Piodoran? Although they are 0-2 right now, ano yung pinakamahirap na parte ng laro nila?
Sa laro nila is yung si U and then
Yeah.
Montemayor lang talagang ginagawa kasi sa amin, bench, alam ko sa sarili ko yung bench namin gagawa talaga kasi talagang kinuha ko yan, mabibilis eh. So, medyo nahirapan kami kasi sobrang lakas talaga eh.
Yun nga eh.
Si Montemayor. So, gumawa lang kami ng scheme na para malito lang siyang konti,
Yup.
medyo magka-turnover ng konti, okay na kami doon. So, if they turn the ball over, we run.
Good adjustment there for you and your team, Coach Alex. What do you think is the kumbaga yung maximum potential ng team na to? Is it to go all the way to the championship round here for the Provincial Cup? What do you think?
Trabaho lang. One at a time. One game at a time, one practice at a time.
Yup.
Kasi siguro tagal ako sa PBA, 5 years. Nakita ko na lahat talaga kung paano ang sistema, kung paano yung sistema. Talagang matagal ang sistema.
Yeah.
Sobrang tagal.
Hindi yan
Siguro-
overnight.
Hindi yan, siguro pinaka-minimum niyan 3 months.
Yeah.
Lalo na kung uumpisahan mo sa umpisa kasi
Yeah.
syempre from province,
Correct.
tuturuan mo ng fundamentals, and then tsaka may papasok yung sistema.
Yeah.
So, medyo siguro konting practice pa makukuha na siguro. Pero sana makuha kasi
But-
matatalino naman yung ibang players.
I agree. And a good start for you and your team, Coach Alex. Last thing, I will let you have the floor for, could you give your supporters, the followers of this team, Kamalig, your family, friends, and everybody who's following you and your team here in the Albay Provincial Games?
Yes. First of all, I want to thank God sa lahat ng blessing na binibigay niya sa akin, sa asawa ko, sa family ko, sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa Dominican School, and lahat ng sumusuporta sa Kamaliga. Thank you so much for supporting us. At syempre, sobrang salamat po, Joey Salceda, sa suporta mo talaga. Nang dahil sa'yo, nag-discover na ako as a coach. Dati player lang, ngayon nag-discover na ako as a coach. So, very thankful po sa inyo, Boss Joey Salceda. And syempre, Mayor Baldo, maraming salamat po sa tiwala. Sana lahat ng plano mo sa basketball matupad natin. Sana tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang suporta kahit medyo mahirap ngayon. Sa ngayon kasi nag-start pa lang.
Thank you so much, Coach Alex, the man himself for the head coach for Team Kamali, Coach Alex Noyles. Thank you so much for your time, Coach Alex.